Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a destroyable object for our game. So as you can see here, I can fly. This is what we've made already. We can shoot. And now if my bullet will hit another object, both of them are destroyed. So if you are going to like today's video, please don't forget to put the thumb up and to subscribe to my channel. So let's start working. For your information, I have just changed here the scene name. Previously it was scene, now it's development, just the name. So now let's create empty game object, or maybe not. Let's create a 2D object, let's create sprite, and let's make it a circle. Let's name it hostile object. And now let's look for some graphics. Yeah, let's take one from our imported prefabs, and which one you like the most, just pick one. I have chosen this meteorite, and yeah, I will move it to the left. And for this to work, we need to detect collisions, so let's use for the moment Circle Collider 2D. As you can see here, it's too big, so let's make it smaller, around 0.24 radius is okay. So now what we need to do more is just to create some scripts. Currently I have created our scripts. So for our projectile, if we go into the projectile, I have already made some updates. So I have added serialize field, time to destroy after instantiation. It's because I have changed this line. Previously it was destroy this game object after 2 seconds, and I would like to be able to set the destroy timer from our script. So here, if you will look on our prefab bullet, you can see that now we can declare our 2 seconds from inspector. So that's why I declared this value. And now what I have also updated, so this is updated line, and I have added the how to call it, this is a Unity event. So I have added this function. This is Unity function, so nothing new created by me. And on trigger enter 2D, I'm just writing destroy this game object. So it means when we hit the collider, when we hit the trigger, the collider which is set as trigger, then we'll call this function destroy. If you would like to add some animations to destroy, this is the place where you would like when you need to add this function. So here we are only destroying our bullet. Also, I have created projectile hostile object script. So I'm using the same function. On trigger enter 2D, I'm destroying this object. So what is happening here currently is if any trigger enters our sphere, our collider, we just destroy this game object. So everything we hit, our hostile object, the object where the script is attached to, will be destroyed. So now let's test it without adding a script here. I will show you how it will work. So just let's make it trigger, and as you have seen, I haven't added yet here the script, so it shouldn't work, but our bullet should be destroyed. So let's make some play. I need to hit this one. It's small. As you can see here it's destroyed. And please remember to change on your bullet if you haven't done it yet. Here let's mark it on the Circle Collider today that this is trigger. So now for the hostile object, let's attach our prepared script. So you know how to create the script. Create C# script. I just named it hostile object, and here is our script. Okay, so what happens next? I have just added this hostile script. I will make it trigger, and if I will press play, both of them should be destroyed. As you can see here, it works. I hope you like the new formula. These videos are much faster, much shorter than previous one when I code everything. But yeah, this is very simple. I think explanation I made is enough. If you have any more questions, please put it in comment. I'm sure I will answer. So if you like today's video, please put the thumb up and do not forget to subscribe.